Hi guys, this is Taotronics Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, and it's been doing great since we've been using this for 4 days now because we are having nasal congestion, especially my children. And during the first 2 nights that I did not use it, my children were having hard time breathing, so we decided to use it, and yeah, it did great. Our children were able to sleep well and no nasal congestion all through the night. And I want to show this to you, the parts. That's the filter, the white one, as you can see, and it has a night light, and it's blue and it's very attractive. So this is where the mist goes out. You can rotate this 360 degrees so that you don't need to move the humidifier. And then I just set the mist on its lowest level, because if I set it on its highest level, the surrounding will become wet after 2 hours. So, I did not use the humidistat also because I just turned it on, and I don't want to, well, I just didn't use it anyway. So I hope you like it, and as you can see, the mist, you can observe it. See, the mist is strong, and hope you find my video review helpful. Thank you for watching.